Hello everyone. If you're getting this error GFX state when you're trying to play GTA 5 Enhanced or Legacy, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error GFX state on your GTA easily. So the first thing you have to do is you need to make sure that your shader caches are cleared. So to clear your shader cache, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop, go into your driver's software, so AMD software for me. If you're on NVIDIA, you're going to go on to NVIDIA, going to go on to gaming, graphics. You're going to scroll down until you find reset shader cache. You're going to click on to perform reset here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to go on to app data. You're going to go into local. And here you're going to go into your graphic cards folder. So either AMD or you're going to go on to a folder called NVIDIA. So I'm going to show you AMD. I'm going to go into it. You're going to make sure that you delete all of these cache files. So DX9, DX cache, DXC, and VK cache. You're going to delete all four of those folders for AMD. If you're on an NVIDIA card, you'll find a folder called NVIDIA. You're going to go into it, and here you should have a folder saying shader cache, and you're just going to delete that folder. And after that, you're going to restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, what you're going to do next is you're going to open up your file explorer. You're going to go into documents. You're going to find Rockstar Games here. You're going to go on to GTA 5 Enhanced or Legacy. You're going to delete the settings.xml file. And what that does is that resets your game settings like your graphics settings, audio settings, your keybind and all that. And after that, you can go ahead and play your game and you won't get that error of GFX state anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.